Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English grammar, chapter number 1, the sentence. Today we are going to study meaning of sentence and we are going to see some important points as well going to solve 1-2 questions. So let us see the meaning of sentence and understand what a sentence is or how to make a sentence. Meaning says a group of words arranged in proper order that makes a complete sense. It is called as sentence. Means to make a sentence, what the necessary things are. Those things are group of words should be arranged in proper order. Okay? Group of words we have to arrange in a proper order as well as it should make a complete sense. Means it should make a clear meaning for the reader to understand. Then only it is called as a sentence. Now let us see the meaning with one example so that meaning will be clear. If we read this sentence, in the classroom they are. If we read this group of words, we do not understand their meaning. Why? Because they are not arranged in proper order. See again, if we read in the classroom they are, because they are not arranged in proper order. And if we read this sentence, let us read they are in the classroom. If we read this sentence, we understand the meaning. Why? Because words over here, group of words over here are arranged in proper order, and that is why we can understand their meaning. Okay, so according to the meaning, when group of words arranged in proper order, then only it makes a complete sense. So here, if we arrange the words in proper order, when it makes a clear meaning, then only this is called as a sentence, and this is not. Okay. Now some important points to be considered in sentence. That is, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. When a sentence starts, the very first letter is the capital. Then a sentence ends with a full stop, question mark, exclamation mark. It depends upon the kinds of sentence. Sentence is assertive or imperative, we use the full stop. If sentence is interrogative, means if it asks a question, then we keep question mark at the end of the sentence. If the sentence is an exclamatory sentence, means it shows sudden feeling, sudden expression of happiness, sadness and so on, then we put exclamation mark. Okay, so these punctuation marks are compulsorily used after completing or after writing a sentence. Moving further, it has a subject and predicate. Okay, a sentence consists or it contains one subject and one predicate. Okay, this we will learn afterwards. Okay, now exercise number A and exercise number B. I have selected some question. We will do how to do. In exercise number A, words are given. We have to frame a sentence. Example, classroom. So we can write down or we can form any sentence over here. So I will write my classroom is very big. My classroom is very big. In this way we have to form a sentence. Then exercise number B includes words, but they are group of words, but they are not arranged. So we have to rearrange all these words and we have to make a correct sentence. So let us do. Hurry in, he room left the A. So answer will be he left the room in a hurry. Okay, we got the answer. He left the room in a hurry. He left the room in a hurry. So it is completed. Now number 2. Question number 2. You could a cup of tea get me please. We have to frame a sentence. So if you see over here, please is given, you have to make a request, and could is given. So we have to ask something. So we have to make it interrogative. So could you, we will start with could. Could you get me a cup of tea? Could you get me a cup of tea? Comma, please, and आखिरी में question mark will be there. Punctuation mark we have to add, okay, every time. So in first answer, full stop is there. In second answer, question mark will be there. So could you get me a cup of tea, please? Okay. In this way, you have to do this exercise. Okay, you have to solve it. So students, today we have studied the meaning of sentence. What are the important things we have seen? Then the important point should be considered when we frame a sentence, and we have solved some questions from exercise number A and B. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.